back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a Dollar Tree haul, some stuff that I picked up now that we're able to go out. I'm still going to be limited on going out since I do have a sick husband, but I got enough in one trip to last me for a while. In this video I also have some stuff for some DIYs that I'll be doing, as well as some other things. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got. If you're new to my channel, my name is Danielle. Hi, nice to meet you. Go ahead and give this video a like for me. Also subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments below what your favorite item is or if you've already gotten it, and let's get into it. Alright, so the first few items I'm going to show you guys are geared more towards spring and summer. Some items that I thought were really cute. As in my last video, if you hear bells, it's my dog's collar and they're roaming around my bedroom, so you might hear them a little bit, which is actually what you hear right now. So the first item that I picked up, actually items that I picked up, are these super cute little watermelon cups. I thought these were adorable. And then to match it, I got the little pitcher as well, and I thought this would be really cute for you know, picnic outside, something along those lines. Also a really cute Instagram picture. So I went ahead and picked these up. They do feel like pretty good quality. I'm not positive about putting these in the dishwasher, but I do know that I have another pink cup like this from, I think, my Valentine video. So if you watch that video, it actually is dishwasher safe and it did great. So this is the first thing I picked up, and I consider it a set because they were together and they match really well. So I think they're really cute. All right, so the next item that I got, I almost spent $9 on these on Amazon because I really wanted to make homemade popsicles with the kids, or just some really cute, healthier options for popsicles, and I picked these up. I was gonna get two, but then I was like, why, when I can just go ahead and grab one. I can make 6 of them and call it a day. So I went ahead and picked these up. I just think they're so cute. And I like how they're different colors because if you have multiple kids around, they can all just pick a color out. There's 2 green, looks like 2 orangish pink, a blue, and a red, which I could be wrong. There's a very bright light in my eyes, but so cute. And I'll let you guys know in an update in my Instagram stories how well they worked. So if you want to follow me over there, I'll have my username down below. So these are one of my favorite items that I picked up. I just thought they were so cute. These are barbecue grill hand towels, and I think they're so cute. It says Grill Boss, World's Best Barbecue. And although I'm not doing any gifts right now on my channel, like the gift baskets that actually have the most views on my channel, I think that these would be great in a basket or a present for dad for Father's Day or something along those lines. They have a ton of other things that you could pair with it. If you guys want to see a video on some presents for dad for Father's Day or presents for mom for Mother's Day, just let me know in the comments below. I know that the presents are a big hit and I think that'd be a lot of fun to put together. But again, these are just the really cute barbecue hand towels, and they're so cute. All right, so another item that has to do with the barbecue grill as well are these super cute pot holders. So these are the buffalo plaid looking pot holders, very grill-esque. And then also these Good Times and Grill lines are also so cute. So if dad likes to grill or you like to grill, these are just freaking adorable. I love these so much. And they're pretty heavy duty. They've got the silver lining on the back for extra protection. Is this something that you're going to be able to use more than a year or two? I don't know. I do know that I have most of my pot holders from IKEA, but Dollar Tree ones are great too, especially if you're just looking for something for decoration or something to use on the grill or outside on the patio to put hot stuff on. These are perfect for that. So super cute. All right, so staying in the outside vibe, I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything that I got for the outside, and then we'll move on to the inside. So my children, I don't know if you guys do this or not, but my kids have a fairy garden outside, and we actually fill it with items from Dollar General because a lot of that stuff is $1. But since I went to Dollar Tree today, I know that they do have some fairy items. Mine was pretty picked over, but I went ahead and got what I could find, and that was 3 of these cute little fairy houses. I don't know if these would hold up in a fish tank, but I think that these would be adorable in a fish tank as well if you have one. So if you tried that, let me know in the comments below because I'd love to see if that's something that these would hold up on. But this is just a cute little welcome. And then a cactus fairy garden house. I think this one's my favorite. And then the pine cone, which I love because we have a family of squirrels outside and they actually live in the tree above our fairy garden, and I just think that this is so cute. So my kids haven't seen these yet, but I know that they're gonna love them, so I'm really excited to give them to them. All right, so again, staying in the realm of outdoors, I did pick up some gardening things. I do plan on starting a little herb garden, but if you know me, you know that I'm terrible at it. But I thought that these would be so cute to put in there. All right, so I also picked up these garden tools. They don't feel cheap. Like, this is real metal, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's like the speckled metal. But I am gonna tell you the handles feel just a little bit cheap, and I say that because I guarantee you this will get the job done. But if you're sitting in the middle of dirt and you're putting all of your weight on this, I don't know if it will snap right here in the middle. So if you were going to use this, I'd use it for light items. I wouldn't use it on things that are heavy duty. I would get, you know, a regular size shovel for that, or maybe a heavier duty object. But these feel great for just small projects around the house or around the entryway of your home, small garden beds, that kind of thing. And I love that it has the little comfort grippies to go with it. And then to go with these, they had different colors in these. They had red, they had lime green, they had blue. And then to go with them, I got the gray gloves. So I'm excited to transfer some plants, especially using this new stuff that I got. So, all right, so moving inside of the house, I got a few items that I know that you've seen before. The first two I don't think that you have, because the lady working at Dollar Tree hadn't even seen that they had them. But the items following, I'm positive that you have seen. But after that, I'll get into the more newer items as well. So these items, again, I don't think that you guys have seen, and they have 3 or 4 different ones, but these are the candle making sets. Hopefully you guys can see them. And I'm gonna do a DIY video on these just so that you can see if they work, if they smell good, what they smell like when they're burning, what they look like. We'll do a video on that. So if you wanna see it, just don't forget to subscribe below and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that. And then with the DIYs, I'm gonna do the candle making set, but then I also have a couple of other DIYs. So I picked up a couple of vases. I'm positive you've seen these before. I picked these up. They're the taller ones. And then I also picked up these. I'm positive you've seen the DIY that I'm going to do on those. It's gonna be with the candle making, but I wanna show you how I display them and how I have intentions for them. So I hope that you will watch that video as well. And then I'm sure you've seen these too. I don't think these are new, but they're just the marble plates. And I'm gonna do a DIY with these as well. I'm positive that you've seen the DIY that I'm gonna do with these also, but I want you to see once again how I display them. So picked a couple of those. And then to go along with the DIY that I'm gonna do, I did go ahead and pick up some bath bombs. I know you've seen these before. These are just the cucumber and aloe bath bombs. They work really, really well, and I really like the smell of them. They're great. I mean, they're not Lush, they're Dollar Tree, but they're still great. And then I don't know if you guys have seen these though, but they're Rose Petal Kisses bath bombs. They're shaped like hearts. And then I also got this super cute macaron lip, I think it's a lip balm. Yeah, lip balm. This is meant to be, so I assume it's in the scent mint, but I want to try it out, so let's see. Let's open it and see what it looks like. Oh, it's green. Definitely smells like a mint. Let's see what we think of it. Anyways, you really gotta dig in there to get some of it. And if you do that, it's pretty good. It smells so good and so fresh, but it's definitely minty. Okay, another item that I got is part of their spring collection, and it is a 3-pack of pins. I am obsessed with anything that's cutesy, especially when it comes to my planners, so I'm so excited for these. Let's open these two and see what these look like, because I'm pretty anxious. So they look like this. Hopefully you guys can see it. My light is super bright today. How cute are those? Oh my gosh, they're adorable. Ooh, lids are hard to get off. Looks like just a normal ballpoint pen, if you can see that. Should we see what color they write in? They write in, it looks like black, I believe. I think the polka dots are my favorite. So we've got stripes, we've got polka dots, and then we have like a little paisley color. But these are so cute. I should have gotten every pack that they had, but I wasn't sure how well they'd write or how long they'd last. So I'm gonna try these out and then I might go get the rest of them. All right, so we have a few items left and then we are done. So the next item I got, I've never ever seen before. They had them They had them in pink and they had them in gray, and that is the flat flashlight. And if these work as well as I'm hoping that they do, talk about a junk drawer saver. Like, cram these down in there and then you can fit more junk in your junk drawer. Let's try it out. Let's see. So it feels like plastic, almost like a, oh, nice. Almost like a raft that you would get at the pool, like that waterproof, plasticky feeling. And then it just has a button right here that you push that it turns on. It is flimsy, it does bend, but it feels like it's supposed to do that. So it doesn't feel like it's broken. And then if you look, it's actually pretty bright. I don't know how it would do far away. It looks like it would get the job done close up, but if you're farther away, like out in the middle of the woods, I think it would just light up the footstep that you're taking and not any path in front of you. But super nice. I like it. Okay, another item that I was able to find that they haven't had for a while are these laundry boosters. Now, there's a couple of things that you can do with these. You can add them to your laundry, which, as you know, they go very quickly. And since I got $3 really isn't that cheap for the amount that I got. But if you use it in other ways, it is a great value. You can melt these down with water and put them in a spray jar and then refresh your furniture. These smell incredible. Lavender. These smell so good. Just go on Pinterest. There's tons of things that you can do with these, and they sell out quick because I remember a year ago these sold out and I still hadn't been able to get my hands on them, and I have them now. So grab these if you go out. All right, the last two things that I purchased was Nesquik powder packets for milk. My kids love chocolate milk. They don't get it very often, but I thought these were fun. I've never seen these before, especially at the Dollar Tree. So I thought that was kind of neat that they had them for my kids to try out. You just add the powder packet to probably 8 or 12 ounces of milk. I'll have to look at it, and then stir it. And the last item I picked up are these cute little clips. Food storage, you can use them as toys, craft supplies, paper files. I personally would not recommend using these for children, probably under the age of 3 or less, just because of the fact that there is a spring in them, and if these should come apart, that's definitely a choking hazard. But I'm going to use them as chip clips. They're all puppy dogs. I just now noticed that, but they're so cute. Super cute. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed my quick Dollar Tree haul, seeing what's new at Dollar Tree, as well as some oldies but goodies. If you like this kind of content, again, please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. If you don't want to miss out on the DIYs or the candle builder that I'm going to be doing, I think it's going to be after this video, so just make sure that you subscribe and that your notification bell is on. I thank you all so much for being here.